Hi all, hope everyone is doing well and safe. From last year, we all have seen the world around us crumbling apart to a virus to which we don't have a cure. But this also leads us to rethink the steps we have taken to solve the problems for which we already have a cure. Hearing loss is one of them. Hearing loss is also very common. The fact that over 1.1 billion people are affected by it is not a overstatement. And out of those, more than 100 million come from low income countries where having a 3 meals a day is also a luxury sometimes. So access to the very expensive hearing aids is also a problematic uh, thing for them. Let's also think about the common problems faced by people who have below average hearing capabilities. So on top of my head is that whenever someone tries to take their name or someone tries to talk to them, they don't know because they don't respond properly to them because they don't have proper hearing function. Also, they cannot respond to some particular sound events happening around them. For example, sound of a baby crying, or sound of someone at doorbell sound, or emergency alerts. Now that we have understood the problem statement, uh, we can also try to visualize what kind of solution would it take to solve this. Uh, so an ideal solution could be a wearable device which would be very cost effective, which would have a low operating cost as well, and have long battery life. So what exactly would it take to realize such a concept into a product? Surprisingly, only a microcontroller and a microphone is all you need. Using something called on-device AI combined with super sensitive MEMS mic by Infineon and a affordable microcontroller, we realize that we can pack this solution into a very small form factor which can react to certain type of sounds. So in this case, we have a variable device which can recognize that user's name is being taken, and it can also react to some particular sound events like sound of a baby crying, snoring, doorbell, etc. So here, so this is a very compact form factor we have tried to come up with, and it is trained on my name along with some other sounds. Let's quickly see how this works in real life. So I have this on my pinky finger here. So as you can see, this has already quite small form factor. So the microcontroller is here along with the microphone. The microphone is embedded on the microcontroller, and this OLED shield is there to only display the messages, and this LED is also there. It is programmed to blink whenever it hears the sound. So let's try it out now. So I'll boot it up. Yes, so now it is ready. Jaskaran, Jaskaran, Jaskaran. I also have some sounds of baby crying, so let's try those as well. As you can see, it is already detecting that baby is crying. I hope you can see the message on the OLED.